Hello everyone, hope all is well. This is 50 Plus 2013. This video, I would like to share with you some of the things that I hauled lately and how I'm using them. There are things that, well, probably, let's see, one of them I feel like you would love because of its ingeniousness. The other two are just some things that I think that you would also enjoy or like because of the way you're able to utilize or kind of repurpose. I love repurposing, I love being creative, and I like putting my own stamp on things, and it's just fun making the apartment feel like and look like me. So stay tuned for those. If you enjoy the video at the end, please thumbs up, and also please subscribe if you have not. The bell is there for you to click on so that you can get notification. I try to film twice a week. So the scent's all the way out, you can't really smell it anymore. What I thought to do was, because I like the way this and melted candle works, it seems to work better than putting the wax melt here and using tea lights. This helps distribute the scent for longer periods of time. I'm still going to use this, but what we're going to do is just first of all unplug this, just to have that off. And then I'm going to pour this liquid, because you have to kind of pour it while it's liquefied, otherwise you can't get all the wax out of it. And this is just a candle that I bought from Walmart. It's I think it's one of their brands. These are some little dishes that I bought rice in that I microwave. It's not too hot to the touch, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. And I already knew that one dish wasn't going to be enough, so I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way, and that will harden and resurface, harden. I got that all out, and you can see right there it's already starting to solidify. So I bought 2 more of these, and this one is called Zen, and this one's called Cherry Berry. I don't know if you can see it. And then this one's called Zen. So basically, you just pop this open right here like this, and you can pluck this whole thing out, or you can kind of break it up in there. And I'm just going to break it up in there because I'm going to divide these out, or I can just start with 1 cent. So that's what it looks like, and of course you just break it up. So then you just shake out as many as you need, push it out like that. I'm just going to have the 2 in there, then I'm going to take 2 from here, and I'm going to put those in. So far this is what it's looking like, and I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in. And we're just going to watch it melt. And then again, these are the 2 that I chose to put in there. I'll either dominate it with one or the other. And so there's that. So you can see at this point how it would end up. So the 2 melted, and I'm just going to see how long that sends out aroma throughout the house. And then of course both of those have already solidified. Hi guys, so I showed you how I made your customized home fragrance, and I hope you enjoyed that portion of this video. And then now I'm going to show you how this tree right here, it's a Goodwill find, and how we kind of made it to fit in with the decor, and I will demonstrate that right now. Well, one of the first things I did was pick up this sack of pink and white or see-through rocks, and they were like under $1 at Walmart. And so far this is going to be a total of 5 bags. And then I used this Rust-Oleum American Accents Ultra Cover 2 times, and this is just a spray paint that's a glossy gray, and I used that to spray the outside of the basket. See the basket, and so it made it to be a nice gray color. And then I just put some fabric on top of it, and then I poured these on top of it, and I'm just going to keep filling it up until it looks completely like, you know, you can't really see the fabric or tell too much where the end and beginning is. And this is just things that I do to make this house look pleasant for me. My color scheme is pale pink and variations of gray. So again, I just brought the tree over from the corner in the living room because there's more light here, so you can see that and how I did this.
You did what?
When you died, I didn't want to look at the reports. The autopsy and everything. Everyone said I should. Even you said it. But now, I need to.
And Natalie, what did she say about what you're doing?
So what I'm going to do is, like, to prevent these from falling in this corner, I'm going to get some sort of filler and fill that in, because I don't think I need more rocks. I probably just need to position them a little better and prevent the ones that's falling into the crack in there. But anyway, it made this look really, really pretty. And that I am so glad about. Yeah, so you have the nice gray basket and the rocks. So there's the tree, and it's very tall, all the way down to that. Well, before I start with the next project or the thing to help improve my place and make it cozy and comfy for myself, this smells so potent in a good way that I think this is going to be my new way of putting fragrance in the home without going out and buying all these expensive candles. Those little cubicle candle melt wax thingies, they were only $2. So right now we're just going to show you the next thing that I'm doing to make my place cozy and comfortable for me, and keeping in my same color scheme. Basically, here's a little overview of my sink. And if you want to know how I got this marble countertop, there's a video on that as well, me demonstrating that. I'll try to leave it in the link. If I don't, just scroll through about a good, I think it was in 2 months ago, so you would see it in that video. But this is what I picked up for around $5 or $6. I don't even know how much, but less than that, I think. But it's a gray strainer, and what I like about it is it doesn't take up much space. I don't have enough counter space here, as you can see, where I can be displacing a dish rack, and this is the side that I usually prep on, so I need that to be kept fairly clutterless. So anyways, back to the strainer. I like that in my particular sink because I have an old apartment. This apartment is in the early 70s. It was built, so it's like everything's very old, and they update time as time go by on things that really wear out. But this sink seen better days, if you ask me. This porcelain sink, although I love it, and I especially love having 2 sinks. So anyways, back to the strainer. You can wash your fruit and vegetables in it. You can just wash a few dishes at a time and sit it in it, and it has a way to drain the water out so that it leaks out and dries. And like I was about to say, it fits in horizontally. I think that's horizontal, yeah. And it also fits vertically. So I can just slide it over, put it in the middle. I can put it this way, have it close to the edge, all the way down, anywhere in the middle. And so also I noticed that I can just sit my little stopper there, and if I pull it on this side all the way over, I can sit the soap dispenser kind of on the edge where it's halfway on the back of the sink and then on that thing. And so it just keeps things like really nice and neat and tidy. So if you in need of something like that, it's at IKEA and probably some other places too, but this is just where I got it from. So that's one of the other things that I've done around here just to make this place once again cozy and comfy for myself. So the last thing for this video, which I love this idea. So I recently picked up a pack of chopsticks, and it was like $1.09 or 10 cents or something, some change. Bamboo chopsticks, that a pack of 10, and they come in their individual wrapping paper like this. And the reason why I got these is because I love Cheetos. And if you saw a recent haul of mine, you know I picked up 2 bags of Cheetos. Well, Cheetos brand, but the puffs. And the way you eat these with the chopstick is to prevent your fingers from getting all of the cheese on it, and then you're having to lick your fingers. I have to lick my fingers, I must confess, but I hate to. And I'm always thinking twice about how clean are my fingers. So to prevent that, you can pour it in a bowl or eat it out of the bag, but let me just demonstrate for you. So you go ahead and use your chopsticks to pick up the cheese puff. And you eat them. And then at the end, when you're all done, the chopsticks are the only thing that have the cheesy on it. So I hope you enjoyed this last thing that makes my life comfortable and pleasant and easy. So I want to say thank you so much for watching the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.